Okay, so now moving ahead, if we talk about the therapeutical tools, so I just want to know what are those therapeutical tools that are used in this art therapy?
Yes, ma'am. Mandala therapy, patterns, fuse box, courage box therapy, and filters. Most importantly, chakra healing, and so on. We have lot of therapeutical tools, color psychology, color therapy. We do all of that with our clients and subjects.
So, ma'am, here because we are on behalf of Pi Academy and we are here about to help children especially. So, I have that question in my mind. Can we help children especially with the help of this art therapy?
Yes, ma'am, definitely yes. Children these days who are dealing with the competitions and who are dealing with the competition stress, exam stress,
Exactly.
homework stress, and lot of work.
And now this pandemic, when they are at home and they are not meeting their peer group, they are not going out to play. So definitely their level of stress and anxiety is definitely, I think it's increased.
It is increasing day by day, ma'am.
And this is the need of the time that we should work, parents should work on that.
Ma'am, schools actually focuses on the results and the outcomes. I have seen management people, I have seen teachers and coordinators telling us, being an artist or art teachers, that कुछ घर में बनकर जाना चाहिए, कुछ अच्छा बन जाना चाहिए. But what I believe here is that they should be healed first. Our kids needs to be healed first at this point of time only, at the younger ages only.
When we are giving some education, when we are focusing on children, when we are talking about children only, so we should be focusing on their happiness first,
Yes.
and then we should focus on the academic performance.
Yes, ma'am. My first and the most important sentence here was that we have to focus on the process and not on the
Outcomes. So it's happiness itself is a process.
Yes.
It's not a destination. It's not an outcome. It's not just a duration.
Yes.
It's a long way. It's a virtue with the help of which you are perceiving the world.
Yes,
that happiness should be there.
Yes, ma'am. Have you ever noticed a child, ma'am, in a kindergarten class, when a child is having an activity of that sand activity where they draw few of these shapes and alphabets and number on the sand, ma'am, it has already been doing. They have already been doing it. Our ancestors already done it.
They have done.
They have done it. Like how? In Vedic point of view, same scribbles and same sand play is known as Aksharamba.
Oh, that's interesting, ma'am. So, ma'am, when we have some art for the art therapy, when we have some pictures, then you conclude that.
Yes.
So, I'm just curious about the methods that include its qualitative analysis.
Yes.
Because ultimately we have to discuss those qualitative analysis. So, can you please tell me something about those?
Yes, ma'am. We basically analyze the subject's behavior first, then the awareness of the process. Our subject's awareness of the process. This is what we analyze. Another thing is emotions and expressions they have put on the paper.
It happens, ma'am, whenever something is in our mind, and if we are having some color or pen, we are actually drawing our expression only.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in a normal art class, children go with the mindset that yes, this is our curriculum. Today we will learn watercolor, today we will learn scribbles or something. But in art therapy, we actually give something which they do not know. So something they are putting on paper is coming out of their subconscious
mind, right, ma'am.
And that is what we want. There we can clutch it, everything.
तो सरिता मैम ने हमें आर्ट थेरेपी के बारे में बताया. हमारे जितने भी व्यूवर्स हैं, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम आपको एनालाइज करें, आपके इमोशंस को प्रेडिक्ट करें, तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक नंबर और लिंक आपको दिया गया. यू कैन सेंड योर ड्राइंग्स, यू कैन ड्रॉ अ नेस्ट, राइट मैम?
Yes,
and bird nest, and you have to send us. We will definitely revert you with your results, and if somebody wants art therapist, then also you can contact us. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.